Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to walk you through how to connect a flow switch to control your water pump and other appliances in your home. So let's dive in. First, let's take a look at flow switch itself. Flow switch work by dictating the water level in our tank. When the water rises, the flow switch triggers, and when the water level fall, it closes the circuit, allowing current to pass to your water pump. So now this flow switch when this flow switch is in your tank, what this flow switch does is that when the water level increases, the flow switch will turn on your water pump automatically. And when your water in your tank finish, the flow switch will on your pump automatically. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the connection. So here is what you need for this connection. You need a flow switch like this, and you need a flat head screwdriver and a plier. So let's get started. So for the purpose of this training, I don't have a water pump here, so I'm going to use this bulb to test it. I don't have a bulb, so we use this to test it. So let's begin the connection. So here is my breaker. So I'm going to connect my live wire and my neutral wire from my breaker to this connector here. So these are my two wires. This black one is for neutral and this red wire is for live wire. So we'll connect the two of them to our connector. So now we connect from here. So this is our live wire from our breaker. So we'll connect it to our connector here. So connect it this way. So like this. So now let's connect our neutral. So here's my neutral wire. I'll connect it. Neutral will go from here, from our breaker to our connector. So now this is our neutral side. Connect it. So now we have connected our live wire and our neutral wire now. So let's go ahead and connect our flow switch. So now every flow switch comes with 3 wires. So the black wire is common wire. This black wire is the wire you connect your power source to your live wire, and this blue wire is the normally open wire. This is the one you connect your water pump or to your bulb or to your appliance anywhere. So now we are going to use only these 2 wires. So let me cut this one off. So now we are going to use only these 2 wires. The black wire is our common wire. This one will go to our power line, our live wire, and this blue wire will go to our bulb or your water pump. So now I'll pick my black wire, which is the common wire, and connect it to our live wire here, this red one here. So I'll lose this here. So I'll lose it this way and connect our bulb, and connect the common wire from our flow switch. So now I have connected the black wire. Remember, this black wire is the common wire from this flow switch, and this blue wire is the normal open wire. This blue wire is the one that will connect to your water pump or to your any appliance, anything you want to use the flow switch to control. So now this one now will go directly to our bulb. So now, but I'm not going to connect it directly to our bulb. I'll connect it to this connector here. You can see to go this way. Connect it like this here. So this one will go like this. You tight it well. So let's connect them. This red wire from our bulb now will now connect here to that blue. So remember, the blue from our flow switch connected here. So the red wire from our bulb will connect this right here. So this one now connects here. like this. And now our neutral wire will connect to our neutral terminal here. You can see the neutral here. This is neutral line from our breaker here. So the neutral from our board will connect here. Connect it here. And now we are done with the connection. So let's go ahead and test it. So I'll first of all turn on my breaker. So now let's assume now this flow switch is in your water tank, and your water fill your tank. So when water fill your tank, the flow switch will be in this position when water in your tank is full. Then as you are using your water, the water will be going down, the water in your tank will be going down. So as you're using it, it will going down till the water finish. Then see it, your water pump will turn on automatically and start pumping your water. So now as your water pump is pumping your water, the flow switch is going up small. So as your water is increasing in your tank, the flow switch will also be going up. So going up till your water full like this. Then your water pump will turn off automatically without you using your hand to do it. So now as